Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting a chart that supports hierarchical exploration. Add dimensions in order, parent to child, so the tool understands the path. Enable the chart's drill down option in the data panel and choose whether the default shows the top level. Once done, test a single click to confirm the chart responds. Make sure your data types match across levels. Mismatched types break the chain and will prevent proper drilling. Now you construct the actual drill path and tailor the experience. Reorder dimensions in the chart configuration so users drill from broad to specific. If levels live in different sources, blend them or create calculated fields so the hierarchy stays intact. Then refine the visualization. Shorten labels, enable helpful tooltips, and choose a sensible interaction like single-click or double-click. Also set filters that persist or reset on drill, because consistent context improves exploration. Finish by previewing the full drill experience in view mode and on different devices. You want predictable behavior for others. Publish or share the report with viewers, ensuring access levels and filter permissions match intended use. If drilling doesn't work, inspect 3 common causes: inconsistent data types across levels, missing join keys or null values, and unsupported chart types. One quick fix is harmonizing dimension types or replacing empty keys with a default value, so the drill.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.